Hello, everyone. I'm going to walk you through really quick project 2 from module 1, the David Hockney inspired landscape. Let me share my screen. One moment. Share. All right, the David Hockney inspired landscape. All right, so a landscape is an environmental picture. And in the example that they showed you in Canvas, they chose a bridge over a lake pond. I'm going to do a farm landscape. And what David Hockney would do, he would do near to far using lines. So if you're standing here and then looking and you would see it getting smaller. So I'm just going to imagine that there's going to be a field with crops and a pathway into those crops. So I'm going to draw the beginning of my pathway. And since I'm standing here and I'm looking far, the pathway is smaller. And then by the time it gets to me, it's thicker and bigger. We're not doing anything crazy. All right, so these are crops. We're going to do rows of crops. Some are going this way. And then we'll have some crops coming this way. And there's also a picket fence that's connecting. And the fence is getting bigger as we get closer. So you can kind of see that we're doing perspective. These are fence posts. You're just trying to do perspective in some way. Fence, fence. That's it. So you can kind of see what I'm doing right now. All I'm doing is I'm trying to create a perspective from near to far in a landscape. Rows of crops. Rows of crops. I don't know what we're growing. We're growing tomatoes. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe we'll do flowers on this side. So you go ahead and get an orange marker. We have tiny flowers, tiny flowers, tiny flowers. And as they get bigger, as they get closer, because we're standing close for the flowers. So these are still pretty far. You see what I'm doing right there? Because we're closer, that's why the objects, I wish I could fast forward this. This is going to take forever. I don't know what kind of flowers. Maybe they're carrots. I don't know. I don't even know if anyone's watching this. Yay, pretty flowers. I am not an artist, although I can do what they're doing. Oh, I'm not going to answer that. Okay, and let's do pink flowers. Okay, so you can see little pink dots, pinky, 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 pinky dots, pinky, pinky dots, pinky, pinky. And as it gets closer, we're going to give a little bit more definition to the ones we can see. This one's a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit bigger, and this one's the biggest one of all because we're standing right by it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and finish all my close flowers. I hope you spend a little bit more time on this than what I'm doing. Okay. We're getting further away. All right, almost done. Adding, come on. So many flowers. What kind of a crop are we? And then really quick, we're going to do fence. It's going to be brown. Again, boys and girls, I hope that you spend a little bit more time on this than I am. I'm just looking to see that you're giving perspective. And it's going to be a yellow road because why not? We're in David Hockney's landscape. So we're in a road that's yellow. Some crops. Yay, let's say that we're growing zucchinis and cotton. Okay. All right, and there is my David Hockney inspired landscape. You're showing perspective from near to far. Awesome Possum, Lemon Blossom, that is project 1.02.